What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an expandable pouch. For this project I'm going to be using a number 3 waterproof zipper and 1 ounce per square yard dynamic composite fabric, but you could use whatever kind of zipper and fabric you'd like.
First, mark and cut out an 11-inch by 22-inch piece of fabric. Cut an 11-inch section of zipper and sew the zipper sides to the edges of your fabric. Sew with the wrong side of the zipper facing up and the zipper teeth facing inward. Zip the zipper with the zipper pull, then flip the tube inside out so that the side with the zipper pull is facing in. Fold the sides in 2 inches and use pins or clips to hold the folds in place. Now sew along those edges and make sure you put a couple extra stitches through the zipper. Cut off any excess zipper if there is any. Pull the corners out.
And there you go, you now have an expanding pouch. Thank you so much for watching.